Very good morning. I hope you have all sent your homework yesterday. Very good, my dears. I appreciate everyone. Those who have sent your homework to your teacher. Very good. Okay, now you have come back to the next third session. We have continued the lesson Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe. We have completed, actually we have 3/4 of the lesson is over. From that you have got the worksheet. Let us check the answers. Okay, my dears. See, Roman number 1. W-R-I-T-E, right. T-H-E, the, right, the. Missing, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing letters, L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. Write the missing letters. You know very well, you have to find out the letters which are missed. Okay. Shall we find out? What is the first word? T dash I B dash L. Which letter is missed here? Very good. R. T R I B A L. Tribal. What is meant by tribal? The people who are living in the forest. Okay, even I told you know they will be living in the hole of the tree also. Okay, some trees, the biggest trees and all, they would have the biggest hole in that they will be living. Those people are called tribal. Okay, what is the second question? Say the spelling. F dash O T P dash I N T. What word is it? Very good. Footprint. Say the spelling. F O T P R I N T. Footprint. Okay. The Robinson found the footprint. You know, in the sandy area, he found the footprint. You know. Okay. That is only. Next, third one. C-H dash S-N-G. What word is it? Very good. Chasing. C-H-A. C-H-A-S-I-N-G. Chasing. Okay, first word tribal. Second word footprint. Third word chasing. Now Roman number 2. Write the meaning transport. Okay, biggest water transport. Ship. A little dog. A little dog, you know very well. Then interested. Interested means you like very much. You are interested in that. Okay. First word. ROBINSON. What is the word? Robinson. Robinson. is. Robinson is dash in. CSEAC. Robinson is dash in adventures. What word is that? Adventures. 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 Adventures, I told you no. Risky undertaking. By taking risk, we are doing some actions. Those are adventures. Okay. Robinson is dash in sea adventures. Is it tent? Is it a ship? No. Robinson is interested. So this is the answer. This is the first answer. Interested. Robinson is interested. Say the spelling of interested. 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 Okay, let us go to the second one. Robinson. Robin. BIN. SON. Robinson and AND. Robinson and dash were. WERE. Were alone. 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 Okay. Robinson and dash were alone in island. 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 Island, I told you. The land which is surrounded by sea. All the sides. Okay. All the sides are surrounded by sea. That is only called the island. Here, who were alone in island? Do you know the answer? Is there a tent, a ship, or a little dog? Very good. A little dog. Robinson and a little dog. So the answer is a little. LITTLE. Little dog. 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 So Robinson and a little dog were alone in island. Okay, third sentence. Robinson. ROBINSON. Robinson is. Here apostrophe S. What is here? Apostrophe yes. It shows the belongings. It shows the belonging. I have a scale. I have a scale. This scale belongs to me. It means I have Ravi's scale. Whose scale? Ravi's. Likewise, Robinson's. Okay. Robinson's dash. Robinson's dash started. 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 To sink. SINK. Because BECAUSE. Because of. OF storm. 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 Robinson's dash started to sink. Sink means what? He was traveling he was interested in sea adventures, no? He started his sea voyage, you know. He started to travel in the ship in the sea. Okay, the ship sails in the sea. In that time, dash started to sink. Sink means what? Getting into the water. Okay, getting into the water because of storm. What is meant by storm? A strong wind. The wind which blows heavily. It will blow all the materials, you know. Okay, storm. Now we might have noticed in the news and all, because of the Thane storm, one village is destroyed. Like this we have here now. So that is only storm. Robinson's dash started. Is it a tent or ship? Which is the correct answer? Ship. Okay. Because tent will not be on the sea. Ship only. Okay. lesson which was completed in yesterday. Okay, my dears. Already you have learned the story. They were in the island. What happened? Next, what happens? Shall we see? Okay, first we can read it. One day, O-N-E-1-D-A-Y-Day. One day, T-H-E-Y, they. Who are the they? The Robinson and the little dog. Okay. B, little dog. Then who became as a friend of Robinson? Very good. The tribal man, one young man was there. No, one young man. Okay, young brave man was there. No, that boy. He named us Friday. He named us Friday. Okay. They both saved. S-A-V-E-D, saved some. S-O-M-E, some people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Who are people? We are all people. Okay. From. F-R-O-M. From. The. T-H-E. The. Cannibals. Say the word cannibals. C-A-N-N-I-B-A-L-S. Cannibals. Who are cannibals means? Cannibals means the people who eat the same kind of person. For example, they are humans. They will eat the humans. They will eat the humans. Okay. Cannibals. Cannibals. People who eat people. Okay. Who eat people. It means humans. Okay. It means humans. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among them. T-H-E-M. Them. Among them. T-H-E-Y. They found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Apostrophe S. Friday is. In the worksheet I explained, apostrophe S shows the possession. Friday's father. Whose father? Friday's father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Friday's father and A-N-D and his, H-I-S, his, and his friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. They, T-H-E-Y, they stayed. S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed with. W-I-T-H, with. They stayed with Robinson. R-O-B-I-N, S-O-N, Robinson, and A-N-D, and Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. For, F-O-R, for a few days. F-E-W, few days. D-A-Y-S, days. Few days, and A-N-D, and left. L-E-F-T, left. The, T-H-E, the island. I-S-L-A-N-D, island. Once again we read. One day they both saved some people from the cannibals. Okay. In the island, some people they were struggling with the cannibals. Okay. They were struggling with cannibals. Who are cannibals? The people who eat the people. Okay. The people who eat the humans. Okay. Those people, they tried to chase, they tried to trap some people. Okay. Those people who saved, they means who are they? Robinson and the Friday. Okay. The Friday man. Okay. They both saved some people from cannibals. Among them, in that people, they found Friday's father. They saved some people, no? In that group, who was present? Friday's father was present. Okay. The Friday's father was present and his friends also they were. Then they stayed. They stayed means what? Where you are staying? You are staying in your home. Okay. If you are going to your for holidays, we used to go Friday. Then they left the island. Okay. Another day. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another day. D-A-Y day. Another day. Friday. Another day. Okay. Some other day. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Informed. I-N-F-O-R-M-E-D. Informed Robinson. R-O-B-I-N-S-O-N. Robinson about. A-B-O-U-T. About a ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. They. T-H-E-Y. They. B-O-T-H. Both. Hid. H-I-D. Hid. And. A-N-D. And. Watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D. Watched. And watched the ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Okay. Another day. Some other day. Okay. They left the island. Who left the island? Friday's father and his friends and all. They left. Only Robinson and Friday alone in the island. In that time, another day. Some other day. Okay. Friday informed Robinson. He told something. What he told about what? About a ship. Okay. It is island fully surrounded by sea. So there was a big ship. There was a big ship. They both hid and watched the ship. So see there is one ship. There is one ship. With the help of the ship only they can escape from the island, you know. So see there is one ship. They hid somewhere. Hid means what? Behind. Without knowing others. Okay. Our present others should not understand. That is only hid. Okay. They both hid and watched the ship. Robinson learned. They are observing the ship. Okay. What is happening in the ship? Why is it waiting here? So that and all they are observing. Robinson learned. L-E-A-R-N-T. Learned that. T-H-A-T. That. The. T-H-E. The. Ships. S-H-I-P-S. Ships. Men. M-E-N. Men. Had. H-A-D. Had. Rebelled. R-E-B-E-L-L-E-D. Rebelled. Against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against the captain. Who is captain? The head of the ship. Who is captain? One who leads. He is the leader. Okay, one who leads the ship. That person is called the captain. Okay. So here what happened? They are observing the ship. No, they both hid and watched the ship. The Robinson learned. He understood that. What he understood that? What is happening in the ship? The shipmen, who are working in the ship, the shipsmen had rebelled. What does mean by rebelled? Rebelled means protest. Okay, protest means against. Protest means against the captain. They are against the captain. They are fighting. Okay, against the captain they are fighting. Not fighting. They are struggling with their words. Okay, not fighting. Rebelled against the captain. After A-F-T-E-R. After killing. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Killing some. S-O-M-E. Some of O-F of T-H-E. The. Some of the rebels. R-E-B-E-L-S. Rebels. Rebels means who are participating in the protest. Who are participating in the protest. Poratam we used to say, no? So who are participating in the protest, those persons are called rebels. Okay. Robinson. R-O-B-I-N. Robinson. S-O-N. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And A-N-G. And T-H-E. The. And the captain. C-A-P-T-A-I-N. Captain. Retook. R-E-T-O-O-K. Retook the ship. Okay. So after killing. So he understood that. Robinson understood that some problem is there in the ship. So Robinson. Okay, so Robinson, he was interested in sea voyage, the sea adventures. So in 19th age, he sailed in the ship. Unfortunately, it has been broken. It sank into the sea. Then he swam nicely and very hard and reached the island. Then he was very tired. He left there. He slept there itself. Then he found only one little dog. They were alone there in the island. Then after some days, he found one broken ship. From that he took some materials. With that he was staying there by making the tent, that and all. Then after some days he found the young man. He met on Friday. So he named as a Friday. Then after that they were living together they were alone in the island. Then after that they found some people were struggling with the cannibals. So then cannibals, he saved them by shooting them. He saved the people from cannibals. In that people crowd, who was present? Friday's father was present. Then Friday's father and his friends, they were staying along with them for a few days in the same island. Then they left. Then after that, some other day, they found one ship which was nearby the island. What was happening in the island? What was happening in the ship? They observed. Then they understood that there was a problem. Then they interfered inside. Robinson and Friday, they killed some of the rebels in the ship. And after that, Robinson, Friday and Captain, three of them, they went back to England. Okay, they went back to England. How many days he was in the island alone? 28 years, 2 months and 19 days. Okay, so now he returned to the land for normal life. Did you all understand this lesson? Okay, dears, the sea travel will be very beautiful adventure for us. Okay, that and all we have to take with our adults presence. Okay, with our adults present. Okay, so whatever you wish to do, you have to take part in that with your adults permission. Then you have to participate. Likewise, swimming, skating, whatever you are interested, you have to do with your parents' permission and have a nice training. Then you can participate in that. You can enjoy your life. Okay, my dears, did you all understand this lesson? My dear students, now we are going to learn syllabification. What is syllabification? Syllabification means which helps to read the word, how to read according to the sound. Okay, it will be helpful to read the word. It will be easier to read the word. That we are going to learn syllabification. Syllables. Okay, syllables will be marked by slash. Syllables will be marked by slash. Now you see here, when I read Robinson, I told you R-O-Bin, B-I-N, bin, Robinson, S-O-N, son. So likewise, we are segregating the sounds. Where we have to use the syllables. That we are going to learn. Just you can learn, not in deep. Just we have to know that. Okay. First, there are some rules. To follow that. Only one vowel. You know very well. In alphabets, how many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets are there. In that, 5 vowels. 5 vowels, what are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. Remaining rest of the letters, 21 letters are called consonants. Okay. They create the sounds. Here they create some sounds. Nearly 20, here 26. Likewise, that and all you need not to know. But these 5 letters are vowel letters. They produce the likewise vowel sounds. Okay. Then consonant sounds. Consonant sound we are learned. Okay. So here how to syllabify. How to syllabify. If the word has only one vowel, it is a simple word. For example, CAT cat, BAT bat, RAT rat, DON done. Likewise, it is a simple word. Means here we can't split it. Here it has only one syllable, one sound alone. So we can't divide. We cannot divide here. Okay. Then second rule, middle consonant doubled. In some words, rubber. Okay. Double. Kitten. Button. Here and all. The middle letter, it is a consonant, you know. It is a consonant. A, E, I, O, U only vowels. Here it is consonant. The middle, the consonant is doubled. 2 letters we have. Okay. T, double T. Here double B. Here double T. Okay. Likewise, we have the word means. What we have to do? We have to split in between the 2 double letters. Okay. Divide between the double letters. So, button. Button. Rubber. Kitten. Okay. So, how to syllabify? Can you understand? Okay. Then third model. Consonant between the 2 vowels. So, 2 vowels, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U vowels. Between the 2 vowels, there is a consonant means, there what we have to divide before, what is the first vowel? After the first vowel, we have to divide. Consonant between the 2 vowels. One consonant is between the 2 vowels. This is vowel, this is vowel. Between that consonant. Okay. Between the 2 vowels, consonant is there. Means how to divide here? After the first vowel. This is the first vowel. So here we have to divide. Tiger. 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 Okay. Radder. Radder. First, after the first vowel. Raven. After the first vowel. Okay. Raven. Likewise, here these 2 are vowels. This is consonant. So, between the 2 vowels, one consonant is there means we have to divide after the first vowel. Okay. Next one. Next model. Ends with, some words are ending with LE. Some words are turtle, curtle, kettle. Okay. Kettle. Likewise, LE. Ending with LE. Preceded by consonant. Before that, consonant will be. Before LE, consonant will be. Here we have to divide that consonant. We have to divide before the consonant. Okay. Here LE is there. Before LE, consonant is there. So, before the consonant, we have to divide here. Can you understand? LE ending with LE. Before LE, consonant is there. Here also consonant. Here also consonant. So, here where we have to divide, before the consonant we have to divide. Handle, circle, table. Okay, likewise we have to divide. So, these and all will be helpful to read the word, to know the sounds of the words. Okay, dears, need not to go deeply day by day. While you are learning, while you are reading, try to understand. Okay, try to understand. It will be helpful to us. Okay, now we are going to learn the grammar part. Conjunctions. What we are going to learn? Conjunctions. Conjunctions deeply we need not to go. Just 3 words. First, what is conjunctions? We can understand. Conjunctions means the word which is used to join the words or actions or classes or 2 sentences or 2 sentences. Okay, conjunctions. What is meant by conjunctions? Means joining word. Conjunctions means joining word. Conjunctions means joining word. The word which joins any two nouns or actions or two clauses or two sentences. Now let us see the examples. For example, Ravi and Rahul. Ravi and Rahul are friends. I ate dosa and idli. Okay. Here you see Ravi and Rahul. Ravi and Rahul. We are joining. Which word joins these two nouns and? Here dosa and idli. Which word joins two and? Okay. Hari went to temple and prayed well. And prayed well. Here two actions are joined here. He went to temple, that is one action. Then prayed well, that is one action. Here which word joins the two actions? The two actions are done by Hari. The two actions are done by the subject Hari. Okay, here it connects. The two actions are connected by the word and. So here and is the conjunction here. Okay, so how to use and, did you understand? Very good. Next, the same category we can add and. Okay, now we can see or. Now we can see or. Okay. Sometimes any guest has come to your home or somewhere. Okay, what do you ask? Do you want tea or coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? Here, this or that. We are giving the choice. We are giving the choice. To give the choice, we are connecting the two nouns. Okay, this or that. In the question paper also you may get it. You have to answer for this or that. Okay, so or, tea or coffee, giving the choice. Giving the choice. To give the choice, we are using the connecting word or. Okay, study well or else work hard. Work hard or you will not win. Study well or else work hard. You have to work hard or you will not win. So, you have to do this or what will happen. The negative result we are telling. Okay. What is happening? Work hard. If you did not do means the negative result we are giving or you will not win. Okay, so to give the negative result, we will use or. Okay, did you understand? So to give the choice also, we can use this or that. Do you want tea or coffee? Any one only we can drink. We can drink it at a time. We can drink any one only. No. Do you want cool drinks or tea? Likewise, we will ask. Then work hard or you will not win. Come soon or else you will be punished. Okay, complete your work or else you will be punished. So, or, where we have to use or. The another one, but, we are going to learn but. Where we will use but. To say the contrast thing, to say the opposite thing, to say the opposite. I ran fast, but I missed my bus. So, I did the action, but I got the negative result, no? So, contrast result I got it, no? So, I have to say but. Okay, my friend is poor but happy. My friend is poor but happy. So poor means how she should be. She should be sad, no, but not sad. So you are telling the contrast result. Okay, you are telling the contrast. Okay, my sister is short but my brother is tall. So to tell the opposite result, to tell the opposite result, we are using but. Okay, I searched my father, but I didn't find out. So to say the opposite result, we have to use but. So now we have learned the conjunctions, connecting words and, or, and, but. How to use, we understood, my dears. The worksheet will be given from the lesson and the syllabification and the conjunctions. Okay, so understand and do it. Thank you watching for video, my dears. Thank you, my dears.